Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening and funding your Interactive Brokers account so you can trade immediately. Create your profile, verify ID, and enable the specific trading permissions you need. Equities, options, margin. Select them now because permissions control order types. Once funded, confirm settlement timing and transfer limits to avoid block trades. Make sure tax forms are submitted to lift restrictions. This prevents withdrawal or account holds. You'll see the TWS and client portal become active once these prerequisites. Now configure the trader workstation or client portal for your workflow so execution is faster and consistent. Install the platform, import or build watch lists, and arrange windows. Once done, save layouts to avoid repetitive setup. Subscribe to the market data feeds you need because without them quotes and level Roman 2 fill in slowly. Then build order templates, default size, limit offsets, time in force, and any algos to reduce manual errors and speed entry during high volatility sessions. You place your first trades by selecting the symbol, choosing order type, entering size, and reviewing estimated costs and fees, then submit. Monitor your blotter and execution reports for fills. If you get partial fills, adjust order price or split orders. Use risk tools like alerts and margin monitors to prevent unwanted liquidation. If orders reject, verify trading permissions, market data subscriptions, and available buying power. If issues persist, capture the error code and contact Ibkr support for a targeted resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.